So yeah, I'm gonna continue these 2 pieces I started and potentially start a third. I know that sounds like doing a lot at once, which it kind of is, but when I have these ideas fresh in my mind, it's best to get the underpaintings down. This third painting I think is going to be seen from around this time last year. Me and my sister Carly went to Bok Tower. I think I'm going to do one of the ponds with, it just looks like real beautiful old Florida. Even though it's curated and everything's planted there, but they do have some like cabbage palms around a pond with a bunch of lilies. So
how about some for you?
Not me. Look at all their little mouths, like they're like looking at us.
I want y'all to get some. You want to feed them?
Cocoa Puffs.
How about y'all over there?
Not focusing. Focus on my hand.
So beautiful. Some y'all back there.
So I think that what this might be, and I'm going with the black canvas because it's going to be a darker scene. I'm going to do less of an underpainting and start painting the foliage right away. Sushi's trying to get in here. So without further ado, I'm going to continue on this one with the burnt umber underpainting, and this one actually has a more magenta neon pink underpainting, so you can achieve different effects on your finished piece.